Stop this,
'cause you're stressing me out.
my mind works
Far too far.
I should trust you,
Well, I've never f***ed up.
and I'm just
Hurting me.
Are you helping?
I never said I am.
So why so serious? Stop,
Bet your answer always what to walk behind your line.
are you holy?
Only when I'm at home.
So when
It suits you
are
best.
you helping?
I never said I am.
So why so serious? If this is our life, then we should make the most of what we have. Don't wanna waste my life on chasing silver screen and can. I could be famous if I really, really wanted to, and I would just rather spend my life. I'm sorry in your head, and it's more than you care to think about. You're used to me there, and I need you by my side and stuck to me. Stop this,
'Cause you're stressing me out.
my mind works
Far too far.
I should trust you,
Well, I've never f***ed up.
and I'm just
Hurting
Are
me.
you helping?
I never said I am.
So why so serious?